Welcome to this short video of the Asian-inspired Studio J at the Royal Garden Wyndham Resort in Waikiki. The resort is part of the Wyndham timeshare and can be traded using Worldmark credits by way of Club Pass. Our tour begins in the welcoming and luxuriant lobby festively decorated for the holidays in December of 2021. As you prepare for your visit to Hawaii in this time of COVID, here are a few important things to keep in mind. To check in, you will have to show proof of vaccination or a negative test result from the Hawaii Safe Travels program, all of which you can prepare ahead of time, online, and then store on your phone for easy access and presentation. Masks are required in all public spaces in the resort, as well as Hawaii in general. The Royal Garden does not provide self-parking, but it does valet park all cars, which is more convenient. Although parking does cost an additional $36 a day, the cost is reasonable when you consider finding street parking in Waikiki can be difficult and time-consuming at best. The studio is a nicely appointed space, bright and comfortably laid out. It meets all the standards for a Wyndham Worldmark studio or hotel room that you may have come to expect. Everything is spotless, especially since all the rooms at the Royal Garden undergo an enhanced cleaning protocol, which means that in addition to a customary thorough cleaning, all high touch point areas are given extra attention. The kitchenette is more than adequate and well situated. The mini fridge, microwave, coffee maker, toaster, rice maker, as well as crockery, flatware, and other kitchen utensils are provided and will easily meet most of your needs. The bathroom is agreeable and comfortable, and you'll find enough towels for everyone. If you didn't bring your own pool or beach towels, they're only available at the valet desk. Oh, and because the Royal Garden is either a timeshare or a condo rental, the room will not be serviced during your stay. The resort does have a small pool and 2 saunas, an adequate lawn area with lounge chairs, and some outdoor tables and seating. You also have access to a game room and fitness area, but we were too busy to get to them. The Royal Garden is not far from the Ala Canal. Restaurants and luxury designer shopping, as well as many other places of interest in Waikiki, are within walking distance from the resort. The nearest beach, less than half a mile away. And finally, if you're a late riser and just happen to have forgotten to set an alarm, don't worry. Just leave the balcony door open when you go to bed. The roosters, which seem to be everywhere you look, will let you know it's time to get up. And don't forget, roosters don't wait until sunrise to crow. If you're planning to stay at the Royal Garden, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please subscribe for other travel-related content.